Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This video is a viewer or subscriber was watching one of my videos where I was using the Smart Fill tool, and he couldn't believe that I didn't have a hotkey for the Smart Fill tool. And be honest, I've never really thought about it, but it would be a pretty good idea. And then I thought, well, that won't really justify video. But then I thought, because you have to go over here and pick the interactive fill tool, which is G, which is kind of ironic, but I might have made that. It might be mine. I don't know where the G came from. But the video is going to be about how to use one that's already being used. And so he put F, and if you're not in your text mode and you press F and nothing happens, and then if you hit S and you get that, which is one of the writing tools like Live Sketch. Okay, so I never use Live Sketch, and I never really use Artistic Media Tool. So here's Live Sketch and Artistic Media Tool, which would be I for Interactive Fill Tool and S for Smart Fill, or I could make it F, but I'm going to make mine I and S. So go up to Tools, Options, Customization, and go down to Commands. And then you don't really know where it is, but you can go up here to the Artistic Media Tool and press in Live Sketch, and there it is. And you can see the S. So we're going to go here and we're going to click on it, and then we're going to delete it and then say OK. And if we look now, that is gone. So now we're going to go to Artistic Media Tool, and we're going to go to Tools, Options, Customization, and you could probably type it in, but we don't have to. We can go right here and it'll show you where it is. And then there it is right there. So click on it and hit delete. So those two hotkeys have been deleted. But now we need to make a hotkey for S and I and Interactive Fill Tool. So we'll just go to Tools, Options, Customization. Now we need to know where these are. So I'm going to go Smart Fill, and there it is right there. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to go create a new shortcut key, and I'm going to say S. And you can see it says it's currently not assigned. So I'm going to assign it and say OK. Now mine is G, but I'm going to change that. So what we want to do, and I could leave it G. So I think you could actually have two, or we could do it at the same time. So I'm going to go to Tools, Options, Customization, and I'm going to go to, this is the easiest way for me to find it. And you can see that it's there. I'm going to delete that, but then I'm going to add a new one for I. It's not assigned anything, and put OK. Now, before you do anything else, go to Tools and Save as Default and have all these checked. So now, when I want to use a Smart Fill tool, I can hit S. There's my Smart Fill tool. And then if I want to use the Interactive Fill tool, I'm going to hit I, and there's my Interactive Fill tool. That quick. So when you have something that you want to do and you press S, fill it in, I, and use the Smart Fill tool. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching. And I thank that viewer for sparking my interest in it.